Alright, this will be the trade recap for Friday, June 20th, 2025. So, looking at the pre market plan, here's the levels we had. The main thing I was watching was this 6075 area. Very key level recently. Been acting as res, and I wanted to gauge the market at this level. If there was signs of selling or if we do reject, I was looking to play shorts. And then if the level was reclaimed with strength, I was looking to play longs. So, looking at the market, first thing we did was opened up just near that level, rejected, and then um, bounced off of this level right here at the 50s, 6050s, came up here again, and this is where I kind of missed my rejection entry on this high day failed break. You can see this is that initial rejection, then on this reclaim, we get buying up into this level that fails, and it slows down quite honestly too. Then on this retest, two more buying attempts fail, selling starts to come in. That's a really good reversal signal right there that buyers are trying up here, they're not getting rewarded. Right at this key level of resistance, failed high of daybreak. That would have been a very good short setup, but I missed that. So, moving forward, what do we see next? I'm looking for a level 2 break and then retest and hold for downside continuation. So the only level I really had was valid for this was this pre-market low, which was also low of day. I marked this out. Right here at 950 we start breaking, and I start to get kind of antsy to get an entry. Here at 952, and I don't because we had news at 10, which didn't end up having much of a reaction. But I wanted to stay out of the trade until news happened. On that news, we kind of push a little bit below this level and then get this retest, and I actually get in right here on this retest at 6050.52. So I get a really nice entry, honestly, on this candle. Consolidate a little bit, and then we eventually push down. And I unfortunately got stopped out at break even on my runner to the exact tick right here before that 20-point drop. So look at this. Here's my entry. This first scale was before target just because price was it was very slow down here, so I wanted to reduce some risk here. Now, this next scale and that one right there is where my emotions got involved, and I wasn't comfortable holding until my target anymore. And in hindsight, I should have been. It would have played out perfectly, but cost myself some money there, so that's definitely something I need to work on. I can't be doing that too much. I need to trust my plan. But regardless, that other 3 right there was my actual first targeted scale at 2R. So really, at this scale, I should have just had that and possibly this one other scale. But instead, I was out 6 instead of 4 lots. I got out another one on this next low a day push after retracing a little bit, just reducing risk. And then after we put in this kind of short-term resistance, I put one trailing stop loss up here, which got taken. And then that one I talked about already, taking a break even to the exact tick before price was down, 20 points 3 minutes later. So it's pretty unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's it's what the market does. You can't be perfect and you can't control it. So at the end of the day, I missed this move, missed this rejection. Got some FOMO, waited for a good setup, took it, caught a little bit of that move, and I'm done. And that's just kind of the cool thing about trading. If you look at this move or this day, the big moves that occurred were probably this rally, this rejection, and this rejection here. But I made my money just on this little move down here. So it just goes to show you don't have to catch everything and you don't have to catch the biggest moves. Just get in, trust your system, trust your plan. That's all you can do. All right, peace.